This is something which every female needs nowadays. Hi everyone, welcome to Founders Diary. I'm Ritu Khanna and today's episode is personal. It's about the product I wish I had years ago. Facial hair has always been a taboo for women. It's something rarely spoken about yet deeply felt. और मैं उस टाइम की बात कर रही हूँ back in 1993 when I was in class 10th. तब ये पीसीओडी पीसीओएस टर्म्स की इतनी अवेयरनेस भी नहीं होती थी, लोग ज्यादा बात भी नहीं करते थे और बहुत ही फ्यू लोग होते थे जिनको ये फेशियल हेयर की प्रॉब्लम होती थी एंड आई वाज वन ऑफ दोज फ्यू. सो आई नो हाउ एम्बैरेसिंग इट इज, हाउ लो यू फील व्हेन समबडी आस्क यू अरे फेशियल हेयर है तुम्हारे, तो बड़ा ही बुरा लगता है. It was terrifying, it was embarrassing, I felt ugly, my confidence took a hit, and I carried a deep sense of shame about something over which I had no control. People didn't talk about it then, but whenever somebody mentioned or asked, it felt like a punch to the gut. I would feel guilty as if I have done something wrong. But the truth is, it's natural, it's genetic, and it's not my fault. For years, I lived with this fear and embarrassment. I didn't feel beautiful. And when you cannot accept yourself, you assume no one else can either. But everyone has something they struggle with. No one is perfect. It took me many years, but eventually I realized beauty is not in the mirror. It's in the mind. It's in self-love, self-care, and self-respect. And when you build those foundations, something amazing happens. You become confident, unstoppable, and radiant. And that inner confidence, it starts to shine outside also. It creates an aura, a light that draws people in. Not because you're flawless, but because you are real. I found I was my most beautiful when I stopped chasing somebody else's definition of beauty and started embracing my own. This is something which every female needs nowadays, of all ages. Perenne Hair Retardant is advanced hair reduction cream designed with Pilisoft and many actives to reduce and soften your hair growth. It has wheat germ and olive oils also, which nourishes and deeply conditions your skin and promotes skin barrier also. So this is a very beautiful product which has no side effects. It is suitable for sensitive skin as well. So this is something I wish I could have years back also, because there are many procedures which we are using nowadays, but none is satisfactory. This non-invasive, easy-to-use topical cream works over time to give smoother, clearer, and more confident skin. There are many myths associated with this, and many questions keep coming to us that hair retardant products don't work. जब हम हेयर रिटार्डेंट पर काम कर रहे थे तो हमें लग रहा था कि भाई हु इज गोइंग टू यूज, या लोगों को ज्यादा जरूरत है या नहीं है, ये काम करेगा नहीं करेगा. बट आई न्यू इट विल वर्क बिकॉज इट वॉज वर्किंग ऑन मी. आई हैव यूज्ड इट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम and I saw a remarkable reduction in my hair growth, and I'm still using it because consistent use of this product will further minimize the hair growth I have still now. So yes, it is very important that you are consistently using it. It is very good for your skin, for reducing those those unwanted hair. Another myth is only expensive laser can reduce the hair growth. No, it is not meant for everyone. It can be harsh for PCOD skin also, because PCOD skin also has breakout issues. So कई बार बहुत पस वाले एक्नेस भी हो जाते हैं, रेडनेस या बर्न्स भी हो सकते हैं, एंड लेजर इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, नॉट अफोर्डेबल बाय एवरीवन. सो आप कोई भी हेयर रिमूवल मेथड यूज करते हो, उसके ऊपर अगर आप हेयर रिडक्शन यूज कर रहे हो, इट वर्क्स बेटर इवन विद लेजर ऑल्सो. पेरेने हेयर रिटार्डेंट एक सेफ नेचुरल ऑल्टरनेटिव है without any side effects, no downtime. It works gradually. It's not a magic in a bottle that you expect a result to happen in a day. And it is safe to be used at face, chins, your bikini area. You can use it anywhere. Another myth is facial hair means something is wrong with me. I want to break this myth. Hormonal hair growth is normal. PCOD, stress, genetics, it happens. It doesn't make you less feminine. It doesn't make you less beautiful. But yes, it affects your confidence a lot. You deserve a product that's gentle, safe, and effective. So that's what hair retardant cream works for. But yes, I will recommend that you have a good lifestyle, healthy eating habit. And the most important, your sleep pattern should be correct, light, and you should work out for sure. Work out half an hour every day is a must for any PCOD girl, along with no sugar. If you are able to follow these two things, no sugar and half-hour workout, these two things along with hair retardant cream will definitely give you better result. Real women, real stories, real confidence. We have so many positive feedbacks that motivates me, that encourages me, and that makes me glad that I've got something very special for you guys. As 10,000 plus women are using hair retardant cream and they are very well satisfied. मुझे मैसेज मिलते हैं एवरीडे, ऋतु मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मेरी हेयर ग्रोथ कभी कम हो सकती है. मेरी बेटी भी यूज कर रही है. फर्स्ट टाइम आई टच्ड माय skin without feeling stubble. My daughter uses it confidently now. Thank you for making it teen safe. ये सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, एक ये पर्सनल विन है मेरे लिए. How it works and what to expect in 6 months. इसको रोज 2 से 3 बार लगाएं और you have to be very consistent. अगर आप इसको regularly use कर रहे हो, over 6 or 8 weeks, you start feeling some changes in your skin. But yes, it's a long time journey. It's not a magical thing. It will not happen very soon, but yes, it will. You will start seeing the result in 6 to 8 weeks. Real transformation takes consistency. Hair becomes thinner, softer. Growth visibly reduces. Frequency of threading or waxing drops. Patchy light hair regrowth replaces dark and coarse hair. But remember that results vary from person to person. Hormonal conditions differ, genetics differ, but one thing stays constant: consistency brings the result. I created this product for myself, but launched it for every girl जो सोचती है कि मुझे facial hair से छुटकारा चाहिए बिना side effect. This is not a trend. This is a trusted transformation. If you have been waiting for a sign, this is it. Drop a heart if you have ever dealt with unwanted facial hair. Comment करके अपनी journey share करें. No matter how slow the journey feels, progress is still progress. Created from experience, proven with results, and trusted by thousands.